Hi, today I'm going to be going over nice content access and how it can provide granular access control to you over your site content and who that site content is displayed to, depending on their user group, whether they're visiting public or registered user, um, and also uh, in this example, we're going to be using an article where I show part of the article to the visiting public and the rest of the article to registered users. However, you can use this technique anywhere in a template, in a module, uh, anywhere you want. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is come in here to our article manager, and we're going to create a new article. And it's already prepared some content, so I'll just be pasting it in. Uncategorized. Now we're going to go ahead and set this to unpublished for right now. Um, and you'll see why in a minute. And we want to feature this article, and we want the access for the article globally to be for the public. And that way people can come in and read our article. Um, well, the part of the article we choose to let them see, that is. So here's our article. And I want to create a read more link. I'll put that there. Now, I don't want to give away my entire article, so I'm going to let them read down through tip 2, and then the rest of this I'm going to just cut out for right now. All right, and we'll save and close. There's our article, and we'll come over here. Now, I already installed Nice Content Access on this website. So I'll just click into it. You go Components, Nice Content Access, and it's pretty straightforward, simple interface, not a lot to it, but very effective. So I'll say New, and I'm going to call this 10 Great Ways. Okay, now this name here is just for me. Nobody's going to see this except for the admin of the website. So name it something meaningful for you, and we'll go ahead and enable this. Now there's two groups here. You can have allowed groups, so I can say allow registered users to see the content of this item. And I can exclude groups too. So if I didn't want editors to see this content, I could click on editors. But I got to hold the control key there. All right, control key makes it go away. Control click. All right, so here's the content. This is the content that is going to be displayed to whichever groups are in the allowed group. Okay, and so for this, I have my partial article, remember 3 through 10, and the conclusion. And then I want to put some alternative content there for, say the visitor, when they come and the article suddenly abruptly stops, what's going on? Well, they'll be able to see this content alternative. So I've prepared a little promotional for them. And I'm just going to quickly kind of give them a little notice that the article is abruptly stopped for a reason. And now my promotional title. Okay. And I'm also using Nice Memberships extension on this website. So I'm going to link the user to my Nice Memberships listing page where they can read more about the memberships that I offer on the site. So the listing page looks like this, where I've got multiple memberships being offered and a little write-up about each one. And so I'm going to go ahead and link to this page. So we'll click back over here, and we're going to click our Insert Link button and place our link to the Nice Memberships list page. Now, you may not have Nice Memberships. This is just for this example. So there's our link. And since I have Nice Memberships, I can put a subscription button here. And I want them to sign up for Site Membership Plus. So I'm going to promote that one here. And that one's ID too. You can see some of my other nice memberships videos for more information on that. Okay, so this should be it for the alternative content. Let me make sure I spelled that right. Bum, bum, bum. Yep, okay. So that should be it for content alternative, and I'm going to say save and close. And what's really important here is that I make a mental note of the ID number of the nice content access item that I just created, because I'm going to need that item ID in just 1 second. What we'll do now is go back to our original article that we were just working on. Now I'm going to go to featured articles, I think. And there is our article. Now see, it's still unpublished. So we're going to click into our article and scroll down. There's our partial content. And right here, I'm going to put the nice content access tag. Now remember that item ID was 3, so I'm going to put that there so it knows what to show in this space. I'm going to now change this to published and save and closed. Now at this point, barring any surprises, we should be able to go to the front end here, the front page, the home page, and find our article. There's our article with the teaser text and the read more link. And I'm going to click the read more. And here's our article. And here is our promotional, where we're asking the reader to sign up for a subscription. Now, let's see what happens when I log in. I already have a test user, so I'm just going to use that account. And they're registered users, so they will be in the proper display group, at least they should be. And we'll log in. And there is the rest of our article. Now there's a little bit of a space here. I think that's just a little Goomba when I created the article, and that should be easily adjustable. If I go back to the original article here and I scroll down, I can just backspace and control enter. Okay, now that should adjust that just fine. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that's it. So as a registered user of the website with a membership, I can see the full article, and if I log out, I get the partial article with the promotional asking me to subscribe using the nice memberships extension. So well, I hope that you download at least the free version of nice content access Lite and play around with it. It's not quite as robust as this version, but you know, hopefully you'll like it and come back and buy the Premier version or the standard full version. So anyway, have a great day and remember, enjoy.